Today, we're going to learn how to create ocean floor AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment, and send it to ChatGPT. It will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video, and we'll choose one and send the idea number to ChatGPT. Then it will create everything for us. Now, to create the video, we're going to copy to image prompt. We'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click on New Project, then click here and choose Image 9:16 Nano Banana 2 X1. Then we'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy to Video 1 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow and click here and choose Video, Frames 9:16 Omni Flash 8 seconds X1. Then we'll click on the image and choose Animate. We'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the video is finished, we'll go to the last frame of this video, then click Save Frame. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy to Video 2 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow. We'll click on the image, choose Animate, then paste the prompt and click Send. And we'll wait until it finishes. And with that, we're finished with the tutorial. Goodbye!